Hello guys, so welcome to KO tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have started with the texturing of this garage in Substance Painter. So let's continue it. So now what I'll be doing over here is like, let's go over here and I'll assign a concrete texture over here first. So let's go over here. So I'll just type the texture. I'll go into this and let's assign this texture over here. So once you have assigned it, I think that's the same texture. We can assign it over here as well. That looks good now. Let's go to the top over here, and for the roof again I'll go over here and I can take some old metal texture if required. So I can take we do have a rust over here. So if you want to assign a kind of a rust material, I can assign a rust over here as well. So let's go into this and let's give a metal over here, a metal texture. Rust course, I'll just drag this on top of it. So now I'll go over here again and I'll select this. Again I'll go into the metal over here and we do have this rusty dark metal. I can drag on top of it. That looks much better. So let's go into the layers. So once it is done, so we can assign the same rusty dark metal over here as well. So yeah, it's looking a bit darker. So I can just take a black mask over here. Let's add a black mask and I'll add a generator. Let's add a generator. And let's go into the generator. So I'll go into this, and if you want I can add a edge wear over here if needed. So I can add a metal edge wear. Yeah, looks better now. Now the same way we'll be doing this for the same over here. So if you look at this stuff as well, I'll define again. I'll select this getting a bit heavier. Again, I'll go over here. I can add a bit of steel paint on top of it as needed. If it looks good, then well, or else we can change it if needed. So this is looking okay. I can add a bit of steel gun mat on top of it, and again I'll add a black mask. Let's add a generator, and I'll again add a metal edge wear on top of it, and we do have this wear level. I can increase or decrease the wear level accordingly. That looks much better. So similarly, we will do the same over here. So again I'll go into this, and I can add a rusty dark metal over here. Let's add it. So once it is done, now again I'll go over here, and again I'll add a rusty course on top of it. Let's add a black mask. I'll add a generator, and on top of it I can add a bit of dirt or something if needed. Yes, this looks good. So this is going to be the dirt level, as you can see over here, that can be increased or decreased. This looks wonderful. So if needed, I can add this on top of this as well if needed. Okay, this looks good. So again I'll go over here. Let's again go into this, and let's add again a rusty dark metal. So instead of that, what I'll do is I'll add a steel paint on top of it. Much better. And again I'll take a black mask. I'll add a generator, and let's add a dirt on top of it. So I can go on to this, and I can work with the dirt level if needed. Dirt contrast. Again I'll go on top of it, and I'll add a bit of rust course on top of it. Again add a black mask. I'll remove this metal stuff. I'll go over here onto the alpha, and I'll add a bit of dirt over here. Oh, that looks better. So again I'll go into this. Let's again take a metal over here and let's give a steel gun texture over here. Much better. Alright. So I'll just save the file once over here. So I'll go to the top and I'll change something over here. I'll take some different environment over here. Now this looks good. I can just rotate the environment if needed. So we can rotate it accordingly to our needs over here. You can render it. Alright. So again I'll go over here and I'll just drag this. I'll go into the texture set list. I'll make it as 2048. Alright. So guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel if you're not subscribed yet. So I'm just increasing the size of the textures from here. Now later on what we can do is we can export this all materials easily. So it's going to take time. Alright. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel if you're not subscribed yet. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the coming tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.